Welcome back. Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well, washing your hands, social distance. We're here today headed towards Wilton. Just want to show you this beautiful sky. Hope you guys are doing well, washing your hands, social distance. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. I really appreciate it if you guys subscribe. I hope you guys are all doing well, trying to get vaccinated, social distance, and try to wear a mask inside. CDC guidelines. Look at this sky. It's beautiful. Amazing. Sun going down here in Connecticut. And we're headed toward, we are on the Route 7 connector in Norwalk, headed towards Wilton. Beautiful view. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Hope everyone's having a good summer, getting ready next month, and hopefully the schools open up for the kids. Summer hasn't been that bad. Supposed to get a heat wave next week. What a beautiful sky. It just rained a little while ago. Sorry about that. I thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care and have a great day. Buck stops here.